Welcome to my overview of the AI-powered Link Manager Foxlime app. Please find the shortcut list in the comment section below if you would like to skip to the parts that you would like to know about. First and foremost, thank you for your patience, and let's start. Foxlime is an innovative new app that helps you optimize and manage your links using artificial intelligence. Foxlime goes beyond just link management. It leverages AI to provide users with data-driven insights such as link performance analytics to identify your top-performing content, recommendations to improve link click-through rates, suggestions for new link page categories and content organization. Foxlime also enables users to create visually stunning link pages in minutes with an array of professional themes, fonts, backgrounds, and layouts. Whether you're an influencer, creator, entrepreneur, or brand, Foxlime has all the tools you need to simplify link management while unlocking deeper insights. Additional key features include built-in link shortener to create cleaner, more shareable links, automated link tree creation directly from your social media profiles, options to monetize link pages with affiliate links or products, password protection and permissions to the links. Let me guide you through their plan pricing and other details. Let's start now. These plans cater to different usage scenarios, spanning from one-time lifetime access to annual subscriptions, offering flexibility and comprehensive features to meet varying needs. The plan I can recommend the most is the lifetime plan via AppSumo. If you are interested in supporting my channel, feel welcome to reach out to me for a coupon code. Unlimited shorten URLs. Users can shorten as many URLs as needed without any restrictions. Unlimited spaces/folder allows for unlimited organization and categorization of links. Link bio is a central landing page for multiple links. Deep linking enables linking directly to specific pages within a website or app, enhancing user experience and engagement. Access to 4 additional domains provided by Foxlime. API access, unlimited data export. Reseller coupons allows users to distribute the service as a reseller. Unlimited advanced statistics, SSL certificate, which are essential for securing websites and protecting user data. Unlimited password protected links. Unlimited branded domain setup, custom link preview, link rotation useful for A/B testing and optimizing link performance. Bulk link shortening, link alias, auto link expiry, a UTM parameter builder to streamline tracking and analysis. Unlimited pixels and retargeting. Unlimited branded links provides automated daily link performance reports sent to a specified Telegram channel. Google Chrome extension, access to priority customer support services and given roadmap. The campaign targeting feature in Foxlime allows users to create and manage marketing campaigns that target specific audiences or segments. This includes the ability to track and analyze user interactions with links, measure campaign effectiveness, and retarget audiences for improved conversion rates. Overall, the link shortening feature offered by Foxlime allows users to transform long, cumbersome URLs into shorter, more manageable links. This feature is particularly valuable for social media platforms with character limits, such as Twitter X, or for creating clean and concise links for any type of content sharing. Let's talk about the main characteristics of the shown process. The campaign targeting feature in Foxlime allows users to create and manage marketing campaigns that target specific audiences or segments. This includes the ability to track and analyze user interactions with links, measure campaign effectiveness, and retarget audiences for improved conversion rates. The link bio feature, integral to Foxlime's offerings, is designed to maximize the utility of the bio section across various social media platforms where space is limited to a single hyperlink. This feature creates a single, customizable micro-landing page that hosts multiple links. Users can list their entire catalog of social media profiles, websites, content pages, product links, or any other URLs they wish to share with their audience. Users can customize their link bio page to match their branding and enhances user content promotion with clean themes, colors, buttons, and logos, ensuring consistency across all touch points in the digital footprint. Overcomes the limitation of placing only one link in the bio section. The link bio aggregates multiple URLs under one umbrella link, simplifying the user experience and navigation to various contents. Instead of changing the bio link for every new content, products, or services, users can update their link bio page dynamically, which automatically reflects across all platforms where the bio link is used. Through Link Bio, the future creators can directly link to sponsored posts, affiliate products, or their own merchandise, simplifying the path to monetization. thereby increasing the effectiveness of their online presence, streamlining content and product promotion. The Foxly URL Shortener Google Chrome extension brings the power of Foxlime's advanced link management straight into a user's browser, significantly enhancing productivity and allowing users easy access to Foxlime's link shortening service directly from their browser. It's a smart solution for anyone looking to optimize their link sharing practices with the added benefits of advanced features such as analytics and customization. With the extension installed, the URL shortening functionality is always just a click away, no matter what web page a user is on, making it effortless to generate a shortened link on the fly, offering multi-purpose usage such as enhanced sharing, easy customization, or link tracking. This extension is a convenient tool for users who frequently share links and want to ensure they are optimized for maximum engagement and the real-time statistics with shortened URLs that are more aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly. Enables users to set up and use branded domains without any limits or access to additional domains provided by Foxlime, which can be utilized for branding and customization. The extension can be found on the official Google Store, is free to download, and grants convenient access and management of links directly from the browser. Foxlime is a comprehensive link management platform that offers a suite of powerful features designed to enhance the productivity and efficiency of managing and distributing digital content. Here are some highlighted uses with examples. A digital marketer has a lengthy URL for a new campaign landing page. To make it more shareable on social media and in email newsletters, they use Foxlime's link shortener to create a brief, branded URL that is easier to remember and click on. An e-commerce store wants to target returning customers with a special discount. Using Foxlime, they can create a custom URL with UTM parameters that identifies users coming from a returning customer email and provides analytics specifically for this campaign. An Instagram influencer needs to share multiple links to their blog, sponsorship pages, and online store, but can only place one link in their bio. They use Foxlime's Link Bio feature to create a single page that hosts all their important links. A content creator frequently shares articles across platforms. With the Chrome extension, they can shorten URLs to track which articles perform best on which platforms without leaving their browser. In each of these cases, Foxlime improves the user experience. There are many reviews, but this one I think is the most accurate about the overall experience with the Foxly app. I'm super happy. Foxly rocks as a URL shortener. It's got awesome features, and you get so much bang for your buck. It's more than just a tool, it's like a secret weapon that's already helping my brand grow. Adding my own domain was a breeze, and it really gives my brand a boost in terms of trust. I'm also loving the auto-expire feature for links. It's perfect for my time-limited promos. And the option to password protect my links? What a cool bonus! But the best part is getting all these top-notch features without breaking the bank. I can shorten links as much as I want, track clicks, use my own domains. Foxly's got it all. Just used the API to shorten a list of URLs, got capped at 100 links per hour. It's a bummer, but I rarely need to bulk so many items. I'm totally stoked about my purchase and amazed by everything Foxly brings to the table. It's hands down the best deal I've found for a URL shortener. Furthermore, there will be more exciting things coming as planned on the creator's roadmap, but don't miss this deal as you can get this limited low costs for all of these top-notch features.
I hope you found the information useful and that it provided valuable insights on Foxlime app. As we wrap up, I'd like to summarize the key takeaways. Enhance your unlimited shortened links with unlimited clicks includes a UTM parameter builder to streamline tracking and analysis of link traffic. Enjoy more for less. Built-in SSL certificates, the capacity to shorten multiple links simultaneously, saving time and effort for large volumes of links. Unlimited advanced statistics and the ultimate Foxly app. Google Chrome extension, educate and resell. Access to dedicated priority support services for expedited issue resolution and assistance. Also distribute a specified number of coupons for the service as a reseller. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm happy to discuss this topic further. To close, I'd like to express my appreciation for your time and attention today. It was a pleasure sharing my overview with each of you. I hope this product presentation gave you new knowledge that will help guide your work, research, etc. Thank you again, and I hope you enjoyed my style. Subscribe, guide on screen.